We've installed the Garmin Cockpit rear view camera. We've got the night vision camera that's going in up top. Some electronics that we're familiar with. We have the Lenco trim tabs, the control for your skylight, the bow thruster, the joystick. We have an integration between the two. This is the Yamaha autopilot. This is the Yamaha engine screen, the Garmin screen, and on this particular boat, we've got the upgraded larger Garmin screen. So bigger than the standard 12-inch was installed here. Have all 100% power start, so keyless start. And we've got the Fusion AM, FM, Bluetooth stereo, the speakers for that, VHF radio, compass, and we have propane cooktop, live well, still lots of cockpit seating, cockpit table, even though it's totally rigged up for fishing. Boarding door, so that's really popular. People really love the boarding door. You can still step on the boat at the stern on the swim platform, but you got a big boarding door here. There's no step. So you can see that is just, that's a nice, wide, easy way to step on the boat from the dock. No step up on your walk around on the starboard side. So just a really easy boat to step on and off, get from the cockpit to the bow. And then you've got the big sliding captain door for the person at the helm to step out and get to the bow or the stern. Now this is a common thing. The side guest stateroom can be used, can be configured. Instead of the bed, you can take the bed out and have it be totally set up to store your gear. So we've done this a couple times over the years for people who really have, who are really gonna use the boat for fishing, and they don't really have the need for a guest bedroom. So we took the bed out and we've got it all set up for his gear. Got the downriggers, and then you can see the master bed and all of the access when you're doing installations, which we do in-house. This panel here is nice and easy to access. Right behind the helm. And you can see we're just right at work every day to get this ready for our client. But that is the wet head. We've installed the Garmin Cockpit rear view camera. We've got the night vision camera that's going in up top. You can just see how much work our service team is doing in-house. on this boat. So many cool upgrades. We're excited to show you them all. But yeah, a lot of work. The boat already comes so loaded with options the way that we build them as the dealer. And so it's pretty exciting that we get to add quite a bit more, just some real cool stuff that, you know, we don't usually do, and a few things that we've never done before, like the night vision. So we're definitely excited to see how that comes out, excited to test it out. Our client is very excited, so yeah, it's cool. We love working on them and seeing the different gadgets that we can put together and install for customers, whatever they wish to have done. So this is these come as rod holders, and then we do the burn wine installations as well in-house, so you can see that bracket there. There's the live well. Got it done on both sides. Beautiful fresh wrap. So this is what a Jeanneau NC895 Sport, for comparison, looks like before the wrap. So you can see the white with the red and the black. The white motors. Twin 250 Yamahas. And so this is what it would have looked like before the wrap. This is a slightly different hull, so we've got, you'll notice probably a slightly smaller boarding door. On this model, the 2027 has a much larger one. There's no step on the Series 2. So subtle differences with this one being a couple years older, but still very similar hull, very similar color pattern. And so yeah, that'll just give you an idea of what the hull would have looked like beforehand. And we've also got a couple videos up on our page of the boat that we're watching in the YouTube video before the wrap, so you can see the actual boat itself before, but I just figured I'd throw this in just to give an idea of before and after with the nice wrap that we have. So definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel, because this is not the last video I'll be making on this boat. I'll be posting updates as we go. We're gonna be dropping it back in the water too after everything is completed. So you'll definitely have to subscribe and stay tuned for the coming videos as the work progresses. So we are very much still a work in progress, but we're definitely very, very excited to see how everything comes out, because like I said, we've got some new gadgets going in that we've never done before, and I'll definitely be making some YouTube videos on those. So subscribe and sit tight, and I'll keep posting, keep everyone in the loop